demo to you how to use this staple. I bought this craft right staple gun, and this is my first time to use it, and I will show you how can I load this and using this staple gun. First, we unpack first. It's a new one, guys. I bought this in Bunnings, and it's a staple gun for the wood and the fabric. There is a free staple, 600 pieces for 3 kind of staple. There is a 12 millimeters and 10 millimeters and 8 millimeters. And I bought also this one, a rapid high performance. The size is 10 millimeters and 140. I want to try this, guys, because this one is good stainless staple. This one, see? So I will unpack this first. And this is the size of this, is 10 millimeters. So now we will unload here. We will load now, and just push this one to get it out, and put the staple down to the inside, and put it back this one, and push, and be sure that it's locked, guys. And I will show you the sample. I'll show you the sample, guys. This one, guys. See? You can see, guys, now. Now we will try to use this. We will try to use this staple for my frame, so that it's, guys, this is for, I bought this from Bunnings, how to use staple gun. Now I bought also this combination square, and I bought this for $17. And I bought so also as price cut, and I bought this for $17 as well, because I want a very sharp saw. So that's it, guys. That's all, guys. I hope you like my demonstration how to load my staple gun to staple. And if you like my video, please subscribe and like, comment down below so that I can shout out you on my next video. This is Erlyn the 60 Vlog once again. I love you all.